going to try a GCSE higher tier maths question. So the question is, the points A, B, C, and D lie in order on a straight line. AB is to BD equals to 1 is to 5, and AC is to CD equals to 7 is to 11. So work out AB is to BC is to CD. So to work out AB is to BC is to CD, I need to first make sure that both ratios have the same number of parts. So the ratio 1 is to 5 have 6 parts, but the ratio 7 is to 11 has 18 parts. So, to make the numbers of the parts of the ratio the same, I have to multiply this ratio by 3. So, AB is to BD equals to 1 is to 5, which is equivalent to 3 is to 15. So now, the ratio 3 is to 15 has 18 parts. Okay, AC is to CD is 7 is to 11, and it's already 18 parts. So, now, I'm going to put the points A, B, C, and D on a straight line, and I will place them according to the ratios. So, A will be on here, B will be here, and D will be here. Okay, so as in the ratio, AB is 3 and BD is 15. Next, I'm going to put C. So C would be here, and AC equals to 7, and CD equals to 11. Okay, so we need to find AB is to BC is to CD, and we already know that AB is 3 and CD is 11. All we need to find is BC. So to find BC, I have to take away AB from AC, which is 7 minus 3. So I will get BC, which is 4. So, AB is to BC is to CD is 3 is to 4 is to 11. So the final answer would be 3 is to 4 is to 11. And that's it. Bye!